Assalamu alaikum everyone, once again welcome back to another video. So this is Rehan Ahmed, welcome back again. A very good morning to you. So guys, now I'm somewhere at Riverside. You guys are able to see there are two boats. So guys, I'm walking for physical exercise. So guys, please be informed, the river is connect to Magna River. So you are able to see my background. Okay, so guys, now I stand the bank of the river and the border of the Sylhet division and the opposite side Dhaka division. Okay, so my background is Dhaka division, and I would like to inform you that, and that is Kishorganj. Okay, Kishorganj Itna. Okay, so and I am somewhere at Sylhet division. Okay, this side is Sylhet division and opposite sides is Dhaka division, Kishorganj district. Okay, Itna Upazila. Okay, so I am walking and I have come here to play football, but there are no players, so this is why I'm not able to play. So you guys are able to see. Okay, so in background you are able to see a boat is coming and they are catching fish. Okay, so it's almost it's around 7 a.m. Okay, oh yeah, they're catching fish. You are able to see they're catching fish. মাছ আছে নাই. So the fisherman answered, there are no fish. Very Riverside, the road is very bad condition. Okay, the road is very bad condition. Okay, the road, and there are two cows. You are able to see, and they are eating grass. So the scout is very crowded, so I think I should go home. Rain may come. So guys, I would like to know what kind of exercise or what sort of exercise you do in the morning or evening. Okay, or where will you do? Okay, at home or outside of the home. Okay, so guys, please let me know. You guys are able to see there are no people around. The surrounding area is very green. You people are able to see a boat passing the river. Okay. A cowboy, okay. A cowboy is coming, okay. There are a lot of cows. You guys are able to see wave in the river. Okay, look, my background, a cowboy. Okay, going in the field. So guys, I think I should go home. So no more today. See you some other time. And till then, assalamu alaikum. And do subscribe my channel. Okay.